There you go.
That was so weird. I was choking on.
Oh my god!
Don't hit me up! It's October!
Oh my god! Something just hit me!
Oh crap, there's one tree down over here too. Oh my god!
You want to move that one first?
Yeah.
Go get the big one.
Yeah, let's look at the big one
Look at the big one first.
Yeah.
Go for the big one. I want to help too.
I was with Kyle yesterday.
I know, it was perfect.
2 days ago I was raking leaves with Rachel.
You should be regularly. You should be dealing with snow. Those are things we've gotten from. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Holy shit.
Oh my!
Are you recording that, Dave?
I'm recording it. Our tree split into two.
Yeah, definitely two. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is intense.
Look at that one little random thing. It's just sticking
I
up.
know.
I know.
Okay, how are we going to do this?
Okay, what about the camera, Alex? We're gonna have to like put it somewhere. Ooh, we'll put it on the bench.
Yeah.
Really?
Well, we'll take another video after we're done. Or you and Katie want to try to go?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Here's your camera.
Go, guys, go.
Oh my god.
Try moving the tree.
Oh, I can get out. Yeah.
You're gonna have to get it to a bigger part of the tree and pull it.
After the attached to. Yeah.
Yeah, no, from the other side. Come on, let's do
There we go.
This side.
Okay.
Okay, we gotta get the axe. Come on.
We're going to get the axe. It's attached to the tree. There's trees falling everywhere. It's a blizzard.
It's a blizzard in October.
It's October. It hasn't even been Christmas yet. Can I hear us?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh god.
You want to just go get that tree first?
Yeah, sure.
Go, we're going to get another tree. Oh my god.
Dave, don't help with this one. Get the camera out there.
Wait, what, Alex?
Don't help with this one. You get the camera out there.
Okay.
My bugs are gonna be so ruined.
Are you going to post this on something?
I can't pick up one branch.
Oh, there's another one down the Washington.
I know.
We're nice people. Let's do it.
Yes!
Katie, you need to push it or pull it.
Guys, more branches could be falling. We got to do this fast.
Katie, come on, come on.
Okay. The branches are falling out.
Oh my god, it's snowing hard.
Not it. I'll go in the tree.
Oh my god.
That was the page.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah!
Whoa!
Ah!
Oh my god!
You just missed that, didn't you?
Yeah. That tree just fell down.
You're so much help, Katie, you know that?
Katie, you want to come and take the video under the umbrella?
Okay, Katie, go.
Yeah.
Wash out your hands first.
Okay.
Here, wipe it on my jacket. Okay, okay. So, just keep holding it and film us, okay? Okay. Use the umbrella. One hand there, and one hand up here. Okay, you have to hold it right here so it stays okay. What? Oh no! Okay, you just missed that! You gotta record! Okay, well that was kind of scary!
Okay, so you can move those out so people can get by. We're going to like change. Keep it back inside.
Okay, is there a little art and scenes of...
Yeah?
That means that's recording.
Okay.
We're saving lives. Just kidding, we're not. Okay, now we get the axe.
Okay, it's recording.
Guys.
Alex has got an axe. Going to save the roads. Whoa.
What? Yeah, holy crap! Look at all the half our trees in the backyard! You see them all bendy?
This is so effing scary.
Effing scary! Effing scary is not even a word.
That's an evidence, Gary.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Snow just fell. That was so scary.
Yeah, that's our...
A big thing of snow just fell off the umbrella.
What do you have? Do you hear that?
Oh wait. It's
Do you hear
cracking.
those big crackers down?
Yep.
Stop looking at yourself.
There's a car. Hey, they can't get by.
No.
I don't like that. Me either. Just get the outside. This is bad.
This is very
Bad.
Oh, is there a tree down there too?
I don't think so.
Ah!
We'll be safe here unless that big ass tree falls down, then we die.
We won't die. We'll maybe get...
I feel bad cutting down Dad's tree.
Well, it's not like it's gonna grow back.
You might want to move away.
Wait, I want to get this. Move to the side a little bit. I want to see the axe.
Go on the other side.
Yeah, that's good.
Look at how healthy this tree was. How the fuck did it fall down?
Snow. Oh yeah, you better send this video to the Brazil people. This is what it's like.
I am from Easton and I'll chop down your trees.
Daddy Paul Blart.
Paul Bunyan.
I said Paul Blart.
Paul Blart's the mall cop. He can't do this shit.
Yeah. Okay, we're recording
It
this.
is so cold.
Whoa!
Freaking the shit out of me, you know what?
It's okay, we're good. Here we go. We're recording.
On?
Yep, it's on. Go. Here we go. 44 seconds left. Come on, Alex, hit it down from the top. Ready?
Yeah, hit that.
No, Alex, I mean with the axe.
Stuck still.
No, I mean like hit it from the top and be like, whoop!
I'll step on it.
No, like in the middle of that. Like,
Oh, what's there?
like where are you hitting before? Come on. Oh, the wires!
You heard that right?
Oh, I have to go get this before time runs out. Oh, Alex, we got another tree over here.
Damn it!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.